नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today's our topic is homeopathic repertories in the management of acute disease. Acute disease are what? Acute disease are more challenging to each homeopath because acute disease are coming suddenly and its action is rapid and quick and goes suddenly. So acute disease are more challenging to each and every pathy, but it is more challenging for homeopath because here the prescription should be most accurate to relieve the acute sufferings of patient. Otherwise the case become more worse. Patients suffer much and may leave the physician. Acute disease are well represented in our repertories. We can construct an acute totality with repertories to reach simillimum. Modern repertories and computer repertories have made our task more easy in acute cases. In acute cases, first I am talking about the aphorism number 72. Acute disease are rapid morbid process of the abnormally dearranged vital force which have a tendency to finish their course more or less quickly but always in a moderate time. They lead either to recovery or the death. They are produced by an exciting cause or acute miasm. In miasm, we can study about the acute miasm, acute recurrent miasm, etc. Classification of acute disease in aphorism number 73 of Organon of Medicine mention individual acute disease. Individual acute disease is that which attack a single human being. And second one is the sporadic acute disease. It is that which attacks several persons at the same time, here and there sporadically. Epidemic acute disease attacks many persons with a very similar suffering from the same cause. Case taking in acute disease. According to aphorism number 99, it is a very easy to take the case in acute disease because all the phenomena and the deviation from the state of health that has been recently lost are still in the memory of the patient and relatives. The physician certainly requires to know everything but has much less to inquire into the case. Presenting complaints are very prominent and impress our sense quickly. So it requires only few questions because almost everything is self-evident. And uh, otherwise the complaint observation is also important. Any known causative factor for the expulsion of latent sora is to be ascertained. Acute totality. What is acute totality? As per the acute case, it is the totality of the characteristic symptoms manifested during the acute disease. जब भी किसी पेशेंट को acute disease हम देखते हैं तो जो उसके मेनली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम होते हैं पर्टिकुलर डिसीज के, उसी के थ्रू हम टोटालिटी क्रिएट करते हैं. It has two component. First is the sector totality and second is fixed general totality. Sector totality presenting complaint, symptom with location, sensation, modalities, including causation and concomitant. This is sector totality or the presenting totality. And second is fixed general totality. Fixed general totality is general feature, just like the physical plane, function of the body, appetite, thirst, sleep, thermal reaction, respiration, vowel, movement, etc. These are important feature of acute totality. Changes on mental plan important but not in all cases, but these are important if its intensity is high, irritability, fear, restlessness, etc. Sector totality is fast changing in an acute disease. No one should rely more on general symptoms which are comparatively fixed or slow in changing. Epidemics disease totality. But in case of epidemic disease totality, the disease is their similarity in the presentation of the case by a close observation of several cases of every such collective disease. We get the totality of its sign and symptom of the current epidemic. This leads to the selection of a suitable homeopathic remedy for epidemic genus Epidemicus. acute exacerbation of chronic disease. In cases of acute exacerbation of chronic disease, a story is different. Either we need to manage the case with constitutional medicine at first instance, or we should go up with managing presenting problem with an acute remedy and later followed by a constitutional or intercurrent remedy. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर पेशेंट आता है, पेशेंट को हमने कोई भी क्रॉनिक मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब की है या फिर कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन हमने उसे दी है, अगर मैंने पेशेंट को फॉस्फोरस दी है और मुझे कोई एक्यूट कंडीशन आ रही है, तो मैं बीच में कोई भी जो एंटीसोरिक मेडिसिन है, हिपरसल्फ, सल्फर, इनका यूज मैं कर सकती हूँ एज अ इंटरकरेंट रेमेडी। या फिर अगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसको एक्यूट कंप्लेन है, तो एक एक्यूट टोटलिटी बना के भी हम कुछ मेडिसिन का यूज कर सकते हैं। क्रोनिक डिसीज जो हनीमैन ने दी है, उसमें उन्होंने मोस्टली एक्यूट कंडीशन के लिए पल्सिटिला, नक्सवोमिका, एकोनाइट, ये रेमेडीज को रिकमेंड किया है। use of repertory and acute disease, this is most important part of this session, because how to use the repertory in acute case, that is not known to everyone. So it's the habit of many of us to prescribe on one or two prominent or keynote symptom in acute disease, but it's more effective if we could consider a good acute totality and repertorization done on it to prescribe the effectively. Our user-friendly repertories are either followed anatomical schema or alphabetical schema, or for the convenience of the easy reference. Clinical repertories followed a reason-wise or clinical condition-wise presentation, which helpful to confine only with our needs. To use them effectively, we should have a good knowledge on its basic construction and adaptation. Majority of acute clinical condition we come across or well presented in our repertories with a very useful sub-rubric and a good number of medicines with them. Our modern repertories are putting their best effort to represent them more and more practically applicable one. Advent on computer software programs lessens our task much easier during acute case. Construction of acute totality with repertory, sector totality and fixed totality. Construction or sector totality with repertory, first location, take the location, then sensation, then modality and concomitant. First location, repertory is prepared on the basis of anatomical schema like CANT, BBCR, synthesis, etc. Prepared on alphabetical idea like Murphy and Fatak makes our task easy. Regional repertories helps to confine to them. For example, Burgess eye, Morgan urinary organ, etc. By clinical examination and investigation, we can confirm the exact location too, and successful prescription can be made alone by prescribing on them. For example, in the CANT repertory, if we can select the abdomen chapter, so we can see the inflammation if patient suffered from the appendicitis, enteritis, peritonitis, etc. And the prominent remedies are here, belladonna, bryonia. These are the belladonna italic 2 marks, bryonia 3 marks, cadmium sulf 1 marks. So these are the medicine along with the symptom. And this symptom is find out in the CANT repertory section wise. So this is too easy for practitioners if we can select the totality as per the this uh, construction, sector totality and fixed totality. So first we can take the location, then sensation, then modality and the concomitant. Hope you understand what I want to say to understand the acute totality. The next lecture is continued by this session. Hope you understand right now what I want to say. Thank you. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.